Hello all, my name is ldjkf and I want to talk to you about a communication software I discovered called Mumble. I'll be showing you all how to properly download Mumble, as well as discuss its many perks and generally how to use it and what it is used for. Let's get started. Mumble is a multi-platform communication software that allows its users to access voice servers. These voice servers are accessible through Mumble's client software, which is available as a free download through their website at www.mumble.com. When one connects to a voice server, they are greeted by a various number of rooms, usually referred to as channels. Users can join these channels where they can communicate with other users in that channel. The other software Mumble offers for download is the server-side software. With this software, users can host their own servers where they have control over who can join the channels inside the server and any virtual configurations for the server. To get started, I'm using a Mac, so I'm going to use the Mac icon and go to install. Go ahead and let it download. Go ahead and drag this down here. Let it open. After Mumble is downloaded, you'll get to this screen and just click continue and done. Then you have all this pulled up. So as you can see here, there's other channels you can connect to all over the world. You can also add one. Label eggplant address. And here we are, and people can just join that as they please as well. And there's tons of other channels you can connect to. Tons and tons and tons. All over the world, like I said, North America, Europe, Asia. I'd be happy to show you actual up close what a chat room is like on here, but sadly most of them are private. As you can see, just chose a random one and you need a password to get into that. There are tons of extra things you can do with Mumble to get to where we were before, to find where if you want to connect to a channel, you go to the upper left sphere. You can also mute,
muted,
and unmute,
unmuted,
or deaf, or
unmuted and undeafened,
undeafen conversation. Because you can talk, you can use your headphones and talk to people on here, or you can type. You can also record conversations. And if you are really interested in Mumble, there are other settings you can play with to customize your screen. Audio input, the overlay, network, some shortcuts, and the user interface. Right here you can change where you want the text, change it down low if you want. You can also customize that. A lot of places to customize on Mumble. Overall and by definition, Mumble is a voice-over IP application primarily designed for use by gamers, similar to programs such as TeamSpeak and Ventrilo. In fact, you can connect to people from Mumble to these similar sites such as TeamSpeak and Ventrilo. Mumble uses a client-server setup which allows users to talk to each other via the same server. It has a very simple administrative interface and features high sound quality and low latency. All communication has the option of privacy. Mumble is free and open source software, is cross-platform, and is able to connect you to your friends via keyboard or vocally. If you are interested in finding a site to communicate with your friends via gaming on a PC, I highly recommend Mumble. Thanks for watching, guys.